Bobby with Post Echo.
I'm Caitlin with Post Echo.
And we are here with Eric and Jordan from Radar Cinema. Tell us a little bit about your upcoming album and just take us through the overall concept.
We definitely want to flesh this one out more and kind of focus on a core concept and build out from that and just put everything into it and just take all the chances that we couldn't take with Bird Meets Worm and just do something really unique that's really us.
Bird Meets Worm had a concept behind it. It was kind of a concept album.
So you guys recently released a video for your song Road Wave.
Once we finally had that song kind of nailed down and we had an understanding of kind of where the recording was going.
Live shows, you guys have quite a lot of stage presence, Jordan specifically.
There's nothing more to it than just completely just getting loose and just doing whatever feels good. I'm really into bands like like Joy Division and the Mars Volta and stuff like that. Just these performers that just have this incredible presence.
But you're not having seizures like Ian Curtis. Right?
No.
So what would you guys say inspires you? Maybe not even solely musically, but as people and what drives you to create?
A lot of artists do a lot of deep soul searching and they focus inward. But that's not me. I'm really interested in other people's stories and what other people have to say because everyone has a really interesting story.
I noticed Venus for the first time, because it was so big recently, and that's all I could look at all night long. Could not take my eyes off of Venus.
Well, Eric, Jordan, thanks for being here. I gotta get up early tomorrow. So.
Really, Bird Meets the Worm.
It wasn't supposed to actually be funny.